Are you a company selling and servicing medical or laboratory equipment? Tired of systems that don't really understand medtech industry? Frustrated that instead of focusing on life-saving devices, you're drowning in clunky admin work? Meet Healtek, the game-changing platform built for medtech segment. A smart, modern solution that brings together sales, service, and management of your company, all in one place. Available on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Run your business with data, not guesswork. Healtek gives you real-time insights to make faster decisions and stay ahead of the competition. Replace a messy stack of disconnected tools with one perfectly integrated platform. Your technician, they've got the full device history at their fingertips and can close a service call in seconds. Your sales rep sends a sleek, professional quote with just a few clicks. Routine tasks? Let AI handle them, freeing up your team to focus on strategy and growth. Now, your teams talk. Productivity soars, and everyone sees your company is innovating. Healtek, created by experts in medtech industry. Cut the admin. Focus on what really matters, improving lives faster and more effectively than ever before.